your mind and intellect, right? Mind is quality of thoughts. Now where does the quality of thoughts come from? Where does where sorry mind is flow of thoughts. So what kind of thoughts do you process, right? Based on your bring up, based on your past lives, based on what you see in your surrounding, your environment, based on your exposure, right? What you process becomes the flow. What you process, what you like, right? Whatever you like more, right? Whatever you associate deep emotions with becomes your flow of thoughts, right? If you feel that people in the world cheat you, and if you continuously think that, that becomes the flow of thoughts. If you think that you always find good people in the world, that becomes your flow of thoughts, right? If you think you are shortfall of money, that is what, because you're associating deep emotions with it. I don't have money, I don't have money, I don't have money, my business is not doing well. You're just, because your subconscious mind processes whatever you associate deep emotions with. Okay. So, and we associate, so you may want to reflect what are the things that you are associating deep emotions with. Are they forward looking or are they backward looking? Is it about regrets and guilt in life, or is it about what you can do with what you have down, right? So it's very important to what kind of, because you can change the flow of thoughts to you, right? If you are talking people, it's a weak mind. People like gossips, right? If you are talking events like, oh, that happened in America, this is happening in India, this happened in China, this happened in Pakistan, that is what is going on in IPL. All the time your conversations revolve around events which are not that directly related to you. That is kind of a average mind, okay? And if you are always thinking ideas, creation, what else can you do, what else can you improve, okay, that's a strong mind. Because strong mind think great ideas, is always ideating, is creating. Weak minds and average minds are consuming. So as an entrepreneur, it is very important to make a choice: creation or consumption. Creation over consumption. Make sense? I hope you're making notes of what you like, and I would also like you to share what do you think, whatever I have shared with you so far. Does it make sense? Right. So your direction of intelligence should always be towards creation over consumption. And many people who help you, get the your mindset right. So the most important point that I am trying to make here is, in your self growth, your body, which is your vehicle, your temple, your mind and intellect, which become, because you are attracting that, right? So I have because of my quality of thoughts, which either were inborn, coming from past lives, uh, deep inside my DNA memory, soul level memory, or and whatever I have been exposed to, right? So I saw when during my childhood, when my father met with an accident, I have only seen hard work, honesty, integrity of thoughts and words and actions in my family. I have seen that my mother, she used to run mess for doctors and engineers. And if there is a one that in earlier times, ये वो चावल बीनना पड़ता था हमको, उसमें इल्ली अगर निकल जाती थी, जैसे पके हुए चावल में, in the cooked rice, if there was like that कीड़ा, she would throw the entire rice, right? So I have seen with so much dedication, sincerity, hard work, integrity of thoughts, words, and actions. So because I have seen that environment, I have evolved like that. I have seen most of our parents in earlier times, right? They were sacrificing a lot for everything. So my mother is a sacrifice ka murti. So I have learned, putting everyone before us. But that is also one extreme. So it should be about balance. In my life, I have realized that it is equally important to put yourself also first. So you should know when to put others first and when to put yourself first. That itself is a learning that life will give you, right? So these are integrity is a very strong value for an entrepreneur. Big integrity of thoughts, words, and action. All three should be in sync, because then you start attracting abundance in your life. You start attracting what you want in your life, and you achieve what you want in your life. That journey is not easy, it's tough, but it's a choice that you have to make. And as for me, my integrity has worked for me more than anything in my life.